Hi kids, today we have Dinosaur game. So the name of the game is Dinosaur 2-in-1 Electronic Organ and Marbles game. So we have two games in this one game. So that's why it's called 2-in-1. One is electronic organ and second is marbles game. So let's quickly open it and then we'll be playing with this marble game and with this electronic organ game. So let's quickly open it. So here we have our cute little dinosaur with a very big mouth. Wow! So this is inside the dinosaur's mouth. Here we have the marble game. Here we have marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many marbles do we have?
6.
6. And with the help of this ejecting button, we'll be launching the marble and we'll see how much we score. If the marble will land here, so we'll get 40 score. 30, 20, 10, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So we'll be playing it like this. Once we'll push this button and launch it, so the marble will go all the way from here and will land one of these spaces. 5, 10, 20, 40. Advik, your turn. 10, 30, 5. Try again. 20, 20. Wow, Advik is doing great. So this was the marble game to score the highest points. Now let's check out the electronic organ. So this is the switch to on and off. Now let's try with these. Advik, can you play this?
Yes.
Now when we'll switch on this button from here, and we'll press these keys, so it'll start playing different melodies. Let's try with this. This is a very fun game to play with. So we'll meet in the next video with a new toy, with a new fun game. Till then, bye-bye.